tired there, Rob? Yeah, he's got the yawning going on.
Yeah, we're gonna take a nap here.
Yeah, exactly. So how do you think that went? Huh?
Awesome. Yeah, phenomenal there.
Yeah, I'm asking you, Chloe, how do you think it went?
Students are going to be really lucky to have you.
Yeah. How do you think I did?
I think you did great.
Yeah.
Like, I would clap my hands, but
Yeah, well, you have to.
Yeah.
You have to hold the steering wheel. When you get home, maybe you can do it then. Okay.
I'll give you a little clap.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you did great. I think you'll be a great driving instructor.
Yeah. So there we go. There's your final evaluation.
Yes. Okay.
From me and
From
the
Chloe.
student.
Yeah, from you and a student. So. Watch your distance. Keep your distance. They could slow down anytime, right? And then the car in front just did. And so it's always looking farther down the road, right? Like look ahead of you, but also try to look further down the road. Helps you anticipate things that could potentially happen, right? See, there's that smooth braking again. Okay.
Yeah, we're at a red light.
Okay. But you're still not supposed to take your hands off the wheel, even if you're at a red light.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Only to scratch it.
Don't roll. Once you're stopped, stay stopped. Okay.
It's like you've been doing this for 10 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, like I just said, I taught my kids how to drive. I taught truck drivers how to drive.
Yeah.
You'll do great.
Yeah.
It's exciting. You're getting your own car.
Yes. I get to stand out like a sore thumb. Yellow and red.
Yellow.
And with a big traffic light on the side of the car. Can't miss me now.
There's Al.
That's Al.
I wonder if all the cars are going to go yellow.
They might, because that is the colors of Laurentian.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right.
blue and yellow are
Yeah.
colors.
So, and it's on the website. If you look at the website, those are the colors of the banner and everything. So,
Right.
yeah.
They want to keep it branded separate from TTCC.
Yeah.
For the transport training stuff is red and white.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Well, because Laurentian runs as a separate entity from it. It's owned by TTCC, but it's run by as a separate entity.
Yeah. So Laurentian is now a division of TTCC.
Yeah. I really like the way you braked.
Yeah, no
Chloe.
kidding. Man,
Yeah.
really smooth.
Very smooth. Very smooth. I feel very comfortable. I don't feel like I'm being pushed ahead or anything like that. It's just very smooth.
Floor's not hitting the...
Yeah.
Your foot's not hitting the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know. You want your phone, Rob?